Steganography using OpenPuff tool. Let's begin. Here I have Windows Server 2012 machine and I've opened OpenPuff software. This is OpenPuff folder. There is a file test.mp4 and it is secret document and it is result folder that you can see here. Now we need to just click on hide button, remove, enable B and enable C, define strong password to encrypt the data, define target is secret document file, select test.mp4 and now just click on hide data. Where do you want to export this file? Just select result folder. Here you can see result folder. Just click on OK. It will export to this result folder. Career proceed. It's done. Now if we need to unhide, just click on unhide, define password that previously configured, add careers, go to the result folder and select test.mp4 and just click on unhide. Where do you want to export this? Just select result folder and click on OK. Here you can see secret document file. After proceed, here you can see secret document is generated, my secret data. So hope you understand how you can hide data behind a file using OpenPuff and how you can unhide file using OpenPuff. OpenPuff is a tool used to encrypt data and hide data. So thank you for watching this video.